All right, so it's the punk rope crew again, and they're just doing a little warm up for our version of hot potato. So Marta has the ball. This is a foam tennis ball, and which is easy to catch, but you could use a stress ball or a playground ball. And what they're doing is they're shuffling laterally in a circle. Joe has just determined the direction by pointing. And when they miss, if they miss, they're attempting tree pose from yoga, which is usually sole of the foot on the calf or the shin or even up to the thigh. Now, you could play this really any number of ways. So Chip is changing direction. That makes it a little more fun. Whoa! What a catch. That was awesome. But instead of tree pose, you could have your students or your players do push-ups or lunges or squats or... Okay, now they're changing direction again. And typically you're going to want at least a group of 4. You can play with 3, but this is a group of 5. If it's too many players, it gets a little unwieldy and not as much fun. They're doing really good though right now. Oh, nice job, you guys. How about 30 more seconds? 30 seconds? Okay, 30 seconds. Oh! Oh, that's a tip drill. That was great. Well, now they're coming out into the sun, so apologies for the bright lights. Guys, can you shift into the shade a little bit? Sorry. Okay. All right. This is going to be it. This is the last bout. One more good round. They're doing great. It's great exercise, though. Good cardio, lateral movement, agility, right? You got change of direction happening, eye-hand coordination. Oh! Beautiful job. That was really nice. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Punk rope. All right.